So this is the entranceway into 7 Ashford Street, number 1, the 3-bedroom. Contractors are still here. He'll be completely finished mid-month. Here's the kitchen and the living room there. High ceilings. An overhang on the counter. And also you could put a small table over here. Dishwasher, refrigerator, stove, microwave, under-counter lights. HVAC system here, central air, and washer and dryer there. Here's one of the bedrooms with a closet. Here's one bathroom with a shower. Nice tiles. Here's the second bathroom with the tub and with a shower curtain there. Here's the second bedroom, and it has a double door closet. And the third bedroom, which also has a double door closet. Reasonably sized bedrooms.